1 minute. Ube describe it. 1 minute, please.
Yes.
Ube describe the fight now against illegal mining. Ube describing it saying in 1 minute.
There is no fight in this country now against illegal mining.
Fight.
There is an open for all illegal mining activities in this country, backed by the activities and policies of the state. NML Koso.
Okay.
Do you know why? 1 minute, you can 6, Makamba Kwaka 5, Maminusu. Why? It's very important to talk about it. Yen Yanumo Baya Ombe revoke license is 287. Mekanwa say Ebema illegal small scale mine activities na Koso. Yamu be krata. Ya chen baby uncle two from a good year. Oba magic krata ne for them. Do you know that they did that in October 2025? And omo agents license ni na. It is any panel license ni na from say dey adman na person mo kokoyem. You are only emboldening them so mo ko enti ne nananu mu nyina who said the republic led by his excellency John Dramani Mahama has failed. Ti nananu mu na kofom no fa nsuo no ma fa no ma kwa kanche abodua se nananu mu nsamanfo so mo ebi si konongo ebi asi atroni eneta no so ahemfo e de krata akoma mampanyin Mahama say mira and mama ya republic ma gi etumi aye de sanction free ensem de na ebrabe boaye na yesu wa nyina esen and the hospital achi kompo police station anim police commander kratima ni yetu form e won anim. Do you think that there is a fight against illegal small scale mining in this country now?
Thank you, Minia.